Learn about the Log4 shell vulnerability and how AccuKnox can protect your assets through a step-by-step demo. Stay secure with us. A Log4 shell vulnerable app is running in the cluster. Enter incorrect credentials to see how the app logs your attempt. We can see that the incorrect attempt is logged by the vulnerable Log4j version. Next, let's exploit this to achieve remote code execution and compromise the server. To exploit the vulnerability, we'll use the JNDI exploitation kit to run an LDAP server to target the vulnerable Java app. We receive the LDAP endpoint from the JNDI exploitation kit. By inserting this into the username field, we can trigger remote code execution. As we can see, the LDAP server received a hit, confirming the exploit has been triggered successfully. Let's move forward to observe the next steps. The exploit triggered the HTTP request we injected as the payload in the JNDI exploit kit, demonstrating successful execution of remote code. To prevent the Log4 shell vulnerability, we've onboarded the cluster to the AccuKnox platform. Now, let's apply a hardening policy and watch the defense in action. Navigate to the Policies tab under the Runtime Protection section. Choose the cluster. Open Custom tab. Click on Create Policy to add the policy. To create a policy, we can use the policy editor or upload a file from your local device. We'll use the policy editor. For this demonstration, we'll block all executions from the /usr/bin/ directory. By returning to the Policies section, we can see that the policy has been applied to the selected cluster. Let's retry the same payload to see if our defenses are effective. We have successfully defended against the exploit. This time, we didn't receive any hits on the HTTP request from the server when attempting the remote code execution. Additionally, we received the alerts as expected, indicating our defenses are working effectively. Let's examine the alert in more detail. Here you can see the full details, including process information, parent process, pod name, and more.